Have you ever installed Revit before? Then you uninstall it. By the time you want to reinstall it back, you will see an error message that the software is already existing on your machine, and that has been preventing you from reinstalling it back. In this video, I will show you how you can remove Revit software completely from your system so that you will be able to reinstall it back. Without further ado, let's get started. What you are going to do is you are going to go to your computer, this PC. You go to your disk C, local disk C, double click it. Then you go to your program data, double click it, Autodesk, click on it. These are the Revit that has been installed on my system so far. So if, for example, I have uninstalled any of these software, like this Revit 2017 is no longer on my system. You can see Revit 2017 is no longer on my system, but it's still remaining in the program data. So what I'll do now is I can delete it. So I'll simply right click on it and hit delete, and you will see it's deleting now. I'm going to delete this Revit server 2017 also. I'll right click on it, delete. That is it. That Revit 2017 has been deleted from my program data. Let's go back again. I can go back to program file. You go back to program file, you go to Autodesk, look for Revit. Okay, this Revit 2017, which has been uninstalled from my system. So I simply right click on it and hit delete, and boom. So after this, now it will be easy to reinstall Revit 2017 back. So I hope this video is going to help. Just follow these steps I have just done now and try to reinstall that Revit back and see whether it will not be installed. If you want to learn Revit structure, there is a video that explains step by step how you can gain access to Revit structure. I will leave it up here, so ensure you watch that video. See you in the next video. Bye.